Tired of spending hours building a website? Let's create a professional website in minutes using GoDaddy and Gemini.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel AI Dance Ethical Echoes.
Subscribe to our channel AI Dance Ethical Echoes to learn how to use our free and simple videos for powerful light hack. Start by selecting a template that matches your business on the GoDaddy website builder. Use Gemini to generate compelling content for your website by providing your business information. Copy and paste this content into your GoDaddy website. Customize your website's look and feel by adding images, changing colors, and adjusting the layout. Once you're satisfied, hit publish. Your website is live now. By combining the power of GoDaddy and Google Gemini, you can build a stunning website in just a few minutes. Start building your online presence today. Remember, this is just the starting point. Experiment with different designs and refine as you grow your brand. Subscribe to our channel AI Dance Ethical Echoes for more business tips or to learn how to use our free and simple videos for powerful light